how to set up DeepSeek for Janitor AI. So in order to do that, first thing you want to do is create an open router account. So by creating your account, just click your profile, and after that, click on the integrations. Then you want to get your Choose API key. So after you're visiting your Choose AI, create your account, click on the API option available on the top navigation, and give a name to the key by creating the key and then copy it. Then you want to connect Shoots to Open Router. So go open the Open Router website and navigate to the integrations, click on Shoots, and paste the key that you've copied from the Shoots website, and then save the settings. Then you need to get your Targon API key. So by going to targon.com, create your account, navigate to the profile, click on the API keys options on the left sidebar, then hit the button Create the key, give it a name, and then copy the key. Then you want to connect Targon to Open Router. So hit Targon from Integrations options and paste the API key that you generated and copied from Targon website. Then hit the Save button. Then you want to generate a main OpenRouter API key. So now go to the API keys within OpenRouter and hit the button Create an API key, give it whatever name you want, press the Create option, and then copy the key. So there's a pro tip right here, just open a notepad and save the API keys there, and then you'll need to copy it within Janitor AI. So step 7 is set up the Janitor AI. So visit the janitorai.com website, complete your profile, choose any character and scroll down and click on the button and then chat with the character name. Then next is hit the three lines available at the top section, click on the API settings and choose the proxy option. Then go back to Open Router, search for DeepSeek, and select the version you want to integrate within Janitor AI. Then copy the permalink other than the root domain, and then choose DeepSeek if you want. And then you can also copy the permalink instead of the Open Router AI. Then you want to go back to Janitor AI, paste this permalink within the model name box, then paste this proxy URL in the box. Then next is paste the Open Router API key within the box, asking for the API key. And then after that, all is done, so save everything. Now DeepSeek is integrated with Janitor AI to enhance the chance of your virtual characters.